A vignette is an effect where the edges of your frame start to darken, most noticeably in the corners. It is often applied in editing as a stylistic choice, often to draw the audience's attention to the centre of your image. To create a simple vignette in Premiere, add the Lumetri Color effect to your clip. Within Lumetri Color, there is a vignette effect option. Decreasing the amount option will add the classic dark vignette. You can also adjust the feather option. Increasing the feather will smooth out the gradient of your vignette, and decreasing the feather will make a harder edge. Alternatively, if you want a bright vignette, you can increase the amount of vignette above 0 to lighten the edges of your image. To apply a vignette to multiple clips in your timeline, simply create an adjustment layer and place it above your footage. Then add the Lumetri Color effect to the adjustment layer and adjust the vignette there.